90% of every lending decision in America runs through a number calculated by a private company you've never voted for, never signed a contract with, and can't fire. It's called a FICO score. It decides your mortgage rate, your car payment, sometimes even your job offer. And almost nobody actually knows how it's calculated. Here's the official story. Your credit score is a report card. Pay your bills, don't spend too much, and you get an A. Miss payments, max out cards, you get an F. Simple, fair, meritocratic. That's the story everyone gets told growing up. It's not the whole picture, and by the end of this video, you'll see exactly why. The real formula has 5 ingredients, and the weighting is actually public. FICO publishes it openly. Payment history is 35%. Credit utilization is 30%. Length of credit history is 15%. Credit mix is 10%. New credit inquiries are 10%. 2 of those 5 categories alone make up 2/3 of your entire score. Payment history, the biggest slice, is exactly what it sounds like. Do you pay on time every time? Here's the part most people never learn. A single payment 30+ days late can sit on your credit report for 7 years. Not 7 months, 7 years. The system has a long memory and almost zero forgiveness for one bad month. The second biggest factor is utilization. How much of your available credit you're actually using at any given moment. The commonly cited safe line is under 30%. But here's the number nobody advertises. People with near-perfect scores average around 4% utilization. The gap between what's considered safe and what's actually optimal is enormous, and the industry has no incentive to close that gap for you. Now here's the part that breaks the report card story completely. Say you have a very good score, close to 790, and you max out your cards. Score simulations show you could lose over 100 points, sometimes 110 to 130 in a single cycle. But if you're starting around 600 and do the exact same thing, maxing out every card, you might only lose 30 to 50 points. Same behavior, same overspending, wildly different penalty depending on where you started. The algorithm punishes people who already have something to lose far harder than it punishes people who don't. That is not a report card measuring effort. That's a system engineered to protect the value of a high score for the people who've already earned one. The remaining factors round out the picture. Length of credit history, how long your oldest accounts have existed, is 15%, which is exactly why closing your first ever credit card can quietly damage a score you spent a decade building. Credit mix and new inquiries split the last 20% between them, rewarding a healthy variety of loan types and quietly punishing you for shopping multiple lenders too fast in a short window. So where does the average person actually land in all this? The average FICO score in America sits around 714. Good, not great, and slipping slightly in recent years, even as more people than ever cross into the excellent range. And here's the sentence that never gets said out loud on a bank's website. This number was never really built to protect you. It was built to be sold. FICO is a publicly traded company. Scores make up roughly 60% of its total revenue, running at gross margins north of 80%. Numbers most software companies would kill for. Lenders pay around $10 per score pulled. Multiply that across nearly every mortgage, auto loan, and credit card application processed in the country every single day, and you start to understand why FICO is one of the most quietly profitable companies most Americans have never heard of. And the bureaus that actually hold your data, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, don't just sell your score once to one lender. They package it. Pre-screened offer lists, targeted marketing lists, identity verification products, paid consumer subscriptions that charge you to see your own file. The furnishers, meaning your own bank and credit card company, hand over your payment history completely free. The bureaus turn that free data into a product line and sell it in every direction. In this system, you are never really the customer. You're the inventory being sold. None of this means the game is unbeatable. Pay on time without exception. Keep utilization low, closer to single digits than 30%, and let your oldest accounts age instead of closing them. And the number does move in your favor over time. But understand what you're actually playing before you play it. It's not a report card graded for your benefit. It's a data product priced and sold that also happens to decide whether you get the house, the car, or the interest rate that saves you thousands of dollars over a lifetime. If this opened your eyes, subscribe. Every video, we decode how money actually works. Because the people who understand the system are the ones it works for.